Langkawi SkyCab, home to one of the most breathtaking gondola rides in the world.
Good morning everybody, welcome to Langkawi, Malaysia. Right now I'm at the Langkawi SkyWalk. I rented this bike for 35 ringgit per day, which is around 12 Canadian dollars, less than 10 American. Something that you would need to properly explore this island. I need to find where to go for the ticket. Hello. How do I go to the cable car? Like to go up to the skywalk? Inside, right? Okay. So I did a super big mistake or miscalculation, if you say. I thought that the Eid holiday was on Friday. So I stayed in Penang for that, to actually spend the first day in there and probably make a video. But it turns out that it is on Saturday, which was yesterday, and I was actually traveling on Saturday. I already had booked everything. Let's hope it's not super busy like it was in Genting Highlands. So it took me the whole day to go up the Genting Islands and come back down. It was very crowded. Today is second day of Eid. I mean, you would expect more crowd today because the locals will be out to enjoy, because it's a holiday for them, you know. I hope they're open though. Oh, this is the more crowded place. Yeah, huge fans over here. Some shops to buy clothes and gifts in here. Hello. Why is it closed?
So for now we are full because it's raining over there.
Okay,
So we don't know what time we open back.
It could be like an hour or so.
Or maybe. But like yesterday we closed long time until 6 o'clock.
Until 6 o'clock. So if I buy the ticket right now,
Okay, we're not selling for bridge now.
oh, so I cannot buy ticket right
So
now?
just can buy SkyCab admission only.
Sorry?
Can buy SkyCab admission only.
Sky what?
SkyCab admission.
Oh, SkyCab. Like just,
For
I can still
going
take
up
that.
only.
Okay.
Yeah.
But if I go up there, then I can buy ticket to see the SkyBridge.
If we open, you can buy over there.
Okay, buy. Okay, I'll have
But you
the.
have to wait, but until when we don't know, we're not sure.
Okay, but I can take the. What do you call it? The SkyCab right now,
no
right?
problem.
Okay, I'll have one.
Huh?
I'll buy one ticket for the SkyCab.
Okay, huh?
I'll go up there and wait for this to open and then buy.
But we're not sure what time. Okay, we open.
Yeah, no problem. I'll just go up there.
Okay, one, huh?
One return, right?
85.
Huh?
85.
85. Okay. Okay, just give me 1 second, okay? Thank you. I can go right now, right? Okay, thank you. This is the ticket?
Yeah.
All right. It just started to rain. thought, okay. So that's why they closed the SkyBridge, the walk. Nobody's buying any tickets, but I can still take the SkyCab, which is the cable car. I paid 85 ringgit. It's very expensive, to be honest. Like compared to the one in Genting Island, I paid for the return. I think I paid like 18. So, and that is like a 15 minutes long ride. So compare the price, it's very expensive. I think I'm gonna wait for the rain to finish or slow down a little bit, because if I go up on the in the cab or the cable car and try to film, you guys will not see anything. Because it's crazy raining right now. See? And this does not include the SkyWalk. This ticket does not include the SkyWalk experience. So that one was closed. They're not selling any tickets right now. So if the rain stops, then I can buy tickets there when I'm up there. So look at the amount of water coming down right now. You can see. My God. Wow. It's like a waterfall. Both sides. That's crazy. Look at that. It's like a waterfall. Look. But most of these people were waiting for the rain to stop, you know? See that stage over there, closed due to weather conditions.
No. Ah, okay, push karo. No. Medium.
Just scan here?
Yes.
Okay. We're in. What's going on? Okay. Here. Open. The cars are running. Let me just go up. Normal lane. Okay. So we're in the normal lane. We go from here. There's some very slow people in front of me. I mean, what happens? What is the process? I have like the normal ticket.
Normal ticket?
Yes.
You can around first.
Go around, round.
Yes.
Is this the SkyWalk?
No. SkyCab.
No, I mean this walk. Okay. That was a joke. And there's nobody in here. We still have to walk here. I mean, you can make it shorter. Anyway. Just one person. Okay. Thank you. And we're in. My God. I think I am by myself. Oh. Wow. That one is coming down. I mean, it's clear sky right now, you see?
Welcome to Langkawi SkyCab, home to one of the most breathtaking gondola rides in the world.
I wish it
Today
was
we'll
not
take you on a journey from the base station to the middle station,
raining.
where you'll experience unparalleled views of the stunning landscapes of Langkawi Island. As you step into the gondola, you'll be greeted by spacious cabins with panoramic windows, offering.
But these windows are not very
surrounding
clean.
beauty.
I mean, they're wet, so
Each
you cannot really see
gondola is
outside very well.
meticulously maintained to ensure
Unless
safety and comfort throughout the
you
journey.
film from
The
here.
SkyCab Langkawi gondola takes you on a gentle ascent,
Looks
providing you
very
with a
good.
bird's eye view of the dense tropical rainforest
Oh, it
below.
goes very
Keep your eyes
much
peeled for
up.
exotic wildlife and cascading waterfalls as you glide effortlessly through the air.
Okay, yeah.
Embark on a
So
journey to the
that's
middle
the
station,
mountainside.
where
To
every
this
moment is
side,
filled with anticipation and wonder.
you can see
The ascent will take
that's where the
approximately 15
station
minutes,
is.
allowing you ample time to savor
Over
the
some
experience.
beaches,
Behold the
a
majestic
small
Malaysia,
island over there.
a geological marvel dating back 550 million years. This ancient Wells Waterfall, a natural masterpiece.
Oh, there's the waterfall, you
Lush
see?
greenery. It's a
That's
sight to
what she's
behold from the
talking
comfort of
about.
the
You
sky.
see, that's the waterfall over there.
Experience the thrill of riding the steepest cable car in the world. An exhilarating journey that promises adventure at every turn.
Okay.
Hold on tight as you ascend to new heights, soaking in the unparalleled views below.
Man, standing here is scary. Ooh. I'm standing right now. Let me sit. Oh. Wow. It gets uncomfortable, to be honest. I'm not the guy who's good with the heights. You see? I mean, you cannot really tell much in camera, but this is what's going on. It gets more scarier when you're by yourself. When there are other people to distract you and stuff, it's okay. But it keeps going up. My God, look at that. Wow. It's just like the cables, you can see it behind me. They're going up and up. And if you look at this side, it's just too steep going down. I wish this was clean. So now you can see more. Wow, it's like moving. Okay, you can see more of like those other beaches. The place where I'm staying right there. That's like one of the beaches, I think. Oh no, that's the town. That's where we arrived. So, and then this side, I think I'm staying somewhere over there. And it's a number of beaches on this side. There's one right there. And somebody told me that this is one of the cleanest and prettiest beaches. So now we are going inside in the cloud, right? And you cannot probably see it properly, see behind me. You're going too high up, so I can feel it in my ears, you know. This, we are in the clouds now, and I cannot see anything. I'm now at the station. I have to get off in here, I think. Hello. You sit in the cloud. Looks like you're in the cloud. I know. I cannot see anything from down there, you know. So that's how you have to come to work? Okay. Bingo. Wow, okay.
So you can look travel like?
Yeah, just by myself, yeah.
Oh.
But you live in Langkawi here?
Yeah,
Your family?
Yeah.
You are from here? You were born here?
From here.
Okay, that's very nice.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, very nice to meet you. Hello. Yeah. There you go, you cannot see anything. See a little bit the skywalk over there. But there's no point in going right now because you cannot see anything. Probably just wait here. Here's just a picture of the skywalk. Yeah. So no drones, cannot fly drones here.
Dia orang jalan pulang jalan dia set. Ada orang jalan di sana.
I can imagine in the high season this place would be packed with people. But right now it's just me. To be honest, is it even worth it to come in like a low season right now? It's June and it almost rains every day. And this is the view, like look at this. Is it even worth it to spend your money and buy those expensive tickets and stay in an expensive hotels? Like the hotels are still expensive. It's the same, maybe almost the same price as the as in like in the normal high season, you know, in peak seasons. Is it even worth it? You spend a lot of money and then this is what you get. I mean, it's still not that bad. Like, if you still get the experience of coming here, see a little bit of it, but it would be much better if the sky was clear and everything was open. But then there's the downside of a lot of people be here. Everybody want to come in that season. Yeah. Let's explore this side. So here's an explanation of how much the SkyWalk glass is safe, you know. There's a first layer, 12 mm, and then you have a second layer of 1.252 mm. And third layer, you have like a fourth layer, and you have the fifth layer. So overall thickness is 39.04 mm. So that's what you get when you are standing here. Just it's good to know this information so you can feel more comfortable. You know? Here's the ticket counter for the SkyWalk. You can get the ticket for both the cable car and the SkyWalk and the bar, like in the station down there. But if you decide not to buy the SkyWalk ticket over there, and then you like what you see and you want to experience it, then you can buy it here. There's another picture of the SkyWalk. This is the glass. You go all the way here. I think the glass is somewhere here. Or you're going the other way, I'm not sure. Here's the fee. Oh, international, like for me it'd be like 50 more. I have to pay 50 more to get the experience. Another picture. The different prices for locals and the international, which doesn't look fair. I mean, it should be the same for both. Let's SkyBridge is still closed, and I think it's gonna remain closed for the rest of the day. So I decided to just take the cable car back and go down. I don't know how to go here. Normal. To go back this way? Okay. Hello. Can I sit in this one? Okay. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Okay. By myself again. Back in the cable car. From here. Stop. Close the door. And when it's closed. So you go up. You see the clouds, the car is gonna go up and it's gonna go down then. It is crazy. No, this is, but it's still going up. Yeah, let's see where we go. But there's no point in like going up more. We're in the clouds and I don't see anything. I cannot see anything, you see? Is that a lake? What is that? See, there's another station now. Up here. Yeah, this is the main station. Okay, yeah, there are more people over here. So you have to get off. I got very confused. There are two things here. One is SkyBridge, another is SkyWalk. The second stop in here, that's SkyWalk. The first stop where we stopped first, that's the SkyBridge. The glass bridge, I think. Okay. But here, you see all of these locks. These locks, which is, look, it goes all the way up there. All of these are for the good luck, I think, or just to keep the memory here. I mean, you put like a lock here, then come back after a few years, and you probably have to keep the key and see if your lock is still there. But there are a lot of them, you see. Let's find one. 1st September 2023. Okay, no names over here. What is this? There's some name, I cannot read it properly. Let's find another one. Okay, so here, Alia Love Abdullah. I don't know what this means. Mila. So shout out to Alia and Abdullah. Your lock is here. No dates. You should put a date actually. It's better. And here's to Anju and Vikas. 25. I think that's the year, I guess. 2025. So let's find somebody else. Faz and Sen. 19 March 2022. Okay. There are a lot of them. This one is very Jaslina Nuri. I don't know. Goes all the way to there. Oh, this is even better, you see? These are in a hot ship. So who is right in the middle here? Yus and Yut. Aisha Fitri. Okay. There's a few names. Okay. I'm now at the top deck. I don't think you can go higher than this in Langkawi. This is the highest point, but unfortunately still can't see anything. I'm just in the middle of the clouds, look. All around me. I can't even see the guys over there properly. But that's the bridge. It's just bridge with the locks. And then I think you go that way, but you can't see. There's another area where you go down and then take the cable car to go back. North platform top station. We're at the 2,322.83 feet, 708 meters above sea level. Okay. The SkyWalk, which is closed right now. But look, if it's clear sky, this is how it looks, and so pretty. All these mountains, this is where we are right now. But I think we took the cable car first here, from there we came up here. Now we'll take the cable car back here, and from there down. The two stations. Oh yeah, it just cleared. Wow. That's the view. That's beautiful, wow. That right there is the SkyWalk. Now I can see it. And I think soon they will be opening it then, if it clears a little bit more. And I can see that the clouds are just moving out. The SkyBridge is still closed. I think at this point I'm not gonna waste time and wait here. I mean, the experience so far up to here was not bad. So we just take the car back down. It's almost I don't think it's gonna clear anyway. And there's a huge line up here to go back. So I think on the way back down I will not be alone in the car. Okay guys, I'm back on the ground, back with my bike. Let's see what else do we have in here. It's one thing, never forget your helmet. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys here for a second. Okay, so was it worth it? Probably not the best time of the year to visit, but still good. Like the cable car ride was good, it was fun, but to be honest I didn't see much when we got there. So I mean, the amount of money we paid for the ticket, probably not worth it. I don't want to die here. Okay, I think if you go this way, that's like, what is that? There's that waterfall over there, but I want to get to the beach. I saw the Google map, there was a beach down this way, and I got to hold the camera and ride a motorbike. It's not fun. Things gets confusing. I think if I go this way, there is a beach. Probably not this one, but I see they have washrooms. So I didn't find the beach. I looked on the Google map, shows like it's just down the road here, but the road is closed at the end. So the beach probably is closed for the season. But up here is the way to get to the waterfalls, I think. So, let's see if we can find our way up. There are a few restaurants and shops around here. It's going to the waterfall. Okay, I think. So waterfall level depends on season, type of season. Dry season, December to May, and wet season, June to November. We just started. Sorry. Okay.
What's your name? Ravinder Das, second one.
Yeah, 1%. Yep.
Thank you. Oh, besok itu dari mana? Ini dia minta tolong check out
10?
nama apa?
Right.
Boleh ya? Okay.
Yeah, here's 10.
Masih ya?
Welcome back. What's your name?
Thank you very much. Write my name there. Okay.
Thank you.
Production plate too.
Oh, bro, nice.
Okay, so
This is in water.
one person. What time is it now?
Time 4:20.
4:28.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I have to come back here.
Yeah.
Sign off. Okay. Thanks. How long is the?
To the waterfall, you see
Yeah.
the yellow building. You take left, and then to the Seven Wells, just straight going up.
Okay. Like 10-15 minutes.
To the waterfall, almost 10 minutes, and to the Seven Wells, from here around 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay. That's the Blue Lagoon, right? The 20
the
minutes.
lagoon from here,
Yeah.
35 or 40 minutes.
Oh,
Sometimes
walk.
You must do trekking in the jungle.
Ah, okay.
And almost step like this.
Okay. Right. Thank you. So I had to pay 10 ringgit as the ticket. And look, this so nice, eh? It's just concrete, but it looks like wood. You see? They designed it that way. Okay. Hello. Okay, thick jungle. I'm sure there's a lot of monkeys around here. And I don't want to meet them. I don't want to meet monkeys today. There's nobody here. It's just me, a couple of guys just went by. And nobody else. That's one of the perks of low season. But the downside is that it might rain soon, and I hope they have a shelter or something to hide from the rain. I don't want to get wet. Man, it's not an easy climb. Oh, look, I've been climbing for at least 10 minutes now, and I'm not even in the first level. It has 7 levels. Some lagoon, waterfalls, but I think I'm about to reach the level 1 or 2, I don't know, because there was a office down there. I think that's level 1. This might be level 2. I just want to get to the waterfall, probably come back from there. I need to get back to gym. My God. Look at these trees, man. It's a thick jungle. There's nobody around. Okay. I think I said shelter. This is one of those shelters. It's too high from rain. You see? Or just stop for a few minutes. Oh, before you go up. I want to go back down before the dark. Okay. Let's just keep going. Okay, so this says, please do not feed the monkey. Monkeys here. Monkey. Where are you, monkey? Somewhere up there. I don't see you. I don't want to see you. Monkey is one of those animals you cannot trust what they would do. They could grab my camera and just run away. And I'm not really used to it. If you see other animals like cats, dogs and stuff, everywhere you get used to it, you know how to handle them. Well, monkey, that's it. Okay. That's a no-no for me. It was a good workout, but I see at least 1 kilometer more. I still have to keep going. Is this the way back down? I don't see anyone. Or am I going the right way? Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna take a break here. And now guys, I need a break. Whew. I actually need to go back to gym. That's what I need. I've been so lazy lately. Just eat and stay home. Okay. We have a long way to go. I don't see any monkeys or humans here. Okay. I hope we're on the right track. I don't want to go back down without seeing anything, you know? That'd be weird. Came all the way here to see the waterfalls. Okay. We're at the top now. Okay. Oh. This is just the beginning. Okay. You pay 10 ringgit to basically kill yourself. I hope the view is good. I mean, this hike is not bad. It's just that I am not prepared for it. Okay, think I have to still keep going. Oh yeah, I see some people coming down. You guys come from the waterfall?
Yeah.
Is it 4? Is just this one?
Just, yeah.
Thank you very much. Thanks. It's here. Okay. So we're here. Almost. I can hear the water. So this side, definitely. Yeah. Is it raining up there? Or are you sweating?
Okay.
I think he said swimming. Yeah. Oh, there's a bridge. It's not a bridge, but it's a good place to probably watch the waterfall. Oh yeah, we're here. Okay. Here we go. This is in Malay. I don't know what it says. Okay. So you can basically soap up yourself like these guys and dip in the water there. Oh, they have toilets here, women toilets there. There's that yellow thing over there to just sit for a few minutes. I think I should jump in the water. I'm sweating, I'm tired. Okay, so from here you can also see the cable car. That is the same falls that we just saw from the cable car. You see those ones? That line over there going all the way up there, that's the cable car. That white, that's the kind of the bridge for the cables. But yeah, you go up there, that's the first stop up there. You cannot see the second stop from here. And here's the waterfall. Okay, you don't want to end up sitting there, you kill yourself. That's why they have this wire up here. But you can pretty much swim in one of these ones too. It's like a swimming pool. But there's no way to go down there. Closed. Because it's very dangerous, you know. You see, you can clearly see it's dangerous to do there. These falls go all the way down there. I wish this bridge was somewhere up top of those trees so you can properly see the falls. Okay, let's go up here. Let's go up the bridge. You get a better view of the fall. Oh, there's a glass. Look. Okay, it's a glass, but it's not very clear. Yeah. Safe. Safe. Is it? I think so. But you can't see anything. The fall, the mountains. And you see the first stop where we stopped, the SkyBridge, or yeah, the SkyBridge. There's still clouds over there. You can't see. Still, you cannot see anything. Not clear. So it was a good decision to come back down. It was a waste of time. Yeah, cable car goes down there, and that's the little place, that red thing that you see. That's the final destination for the starting point. There's some Indian dudes swimming. They also have a prayer room here. This side for women, that side for men. And you can actually keep going this way to the level 4, 5, and 6. I think it's level 2, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is the final level. Just a cover. It's Malaysia. Always raining. Oh, I see monkeys. Oh wow. Oh yeah, there's a monkey. Monkey. I think the monkey area starts from here. Yeah. There she is. Let's see if the water is cold or not. I'm gonna go in with my sandals. Ooh. Cold. Definitely cold. It'll be hard to swim. this, we can basically go like hiking this way. I don't want to end up inside the water with my camera and the backpack, clothes and everything. Gotta be careful. Is it slippery? Okay, no. Good. Yeah. Yes. Here's something to learn. Mula means start. All the things you can and you cannot do. So basically, just walk and don't do anything. Don't walk this way or this way. What is in there though? Is there a sign in here? 2 hours trekking to peak. 2 hours. Trail 701. Blue pool. I don't want to go 2 hours. No. Maybe another day. Not today. Okay guys. I think I'm gonna finish this part of the video right in here. And I'll see you in another location, maybe a beach this time. By the way, I only have 2 days of this here, and I'm not sure if it's gonna be raining tomorrow or not, but at least it's not raining today. And it's not sunny, but at least no rain right now. It did rain a little bit before, but I wanna use this time to take you guys to a beach or something, you know? I don't want to end up in the water. Wow, this is slippery. How do I go? I'm stuck. Alright, come. Over there. Okay, here we are. Is it slippery? Pretty much. It's a risk. What if a monkey comes and pushes me? Yeah? Okay. I mean, if you're a shy guy or girl, you can just avoid all these people and come soon over here. Such a nice place. I mean, what could happen? Some monkeys could join you, you know? The monkey which I saw over there, she can join you. Yeah. Okay. Signing off for now from this beautiful view. From 3,600 feet above sea level, I'm back to 2 maybe. This is Cenang Beach, one of the biggest and like very famous beaches in here, Langkawi. This area all has like hotels, restaurants, resorts. It's a very famous area, like a lot of people, tourists come here. I stay in this area as well. But look at the condition of the beach right now. I mean, it's not clean, like look at this garbage right here. This side is even much better. That side was much worse, you see. Still a lot of people on the beach. And they're mostly here, I think, for the sunset. Well, it's cloudy, so there might not be a good sunset, but I just wanted to show you guys how the beach looks in a low season. So the water is not like, I won't say not for swimming. It doesn't look clean, and the waves are too big, to be honest. Plus, look at the garbage around. And I'm sure this is not the best time of the year to be here. This is the low season, you know. And I'm sure it looks much better in the high season, in the months of like January, February, until March, and like May probably. Starting June, that's when the rainy season starts, up to like the end of September. That's when you want to avoid this island or beaches. So between Langkawi and Penang, which one do I recommend in the low season? I would say Penang. So in my previous video, probably have seen it. If you didn't, just check that one as well. I went to a beach called Cat Beach. The water was much cleaner, much better, much calm, and the beach was clean, a lot clean. And that was like 2 days ago, so it looked much better. I do recommend Penang in the low season. You're paying a lot less. There you have like the old town, the different historical places that you can visit. If the weather is not nice and you don't want to be on the beach, you can pretty much find places to go. So there you have it. I'm gonna wait for the sunset, but I hope you like the video, and thank you very much.